Man by the Allman Brothers. I mean, what a super positive, fun, happy driving song. And I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. I'm Steve, and I do just the fastest guitar lessons on YouTube because you don't need any more time than this. So let's get right to it. I've got a capo on the first fret, and I've got a G major shape right here. So G major, because it starts off with the chorus. Lord, I was F major. That's the hardest chord to play in the whole thing. Ramblin', C major, G. So we've gone, I'll do that again. G major, F major, C major, G. G, C major, doing the best I can, D major. C when it's time for G major, E minor, E minor. So I play that with one finger, you can play it with two. I hope you'll understand. C major, G major, that I was D, a ramblin' G major. And now it goes into this verse, and really it's all the same chords, just slightly different order sometimes. G, my father was a C down in Georgia. G. G, and he wound up on the C major, D. C, and I was born in the G backseat of a E minor Greyhound bus. C, C major, G, rolling down, D major, Highway 41. It goes right into the chorus again that we just did a second ago, and after that another verse and a chorus, and at one point hits the D major like that and just does this killer solo as it does the verse again. So super cool, you know, chorus again. Lord, I was F major, C major, G, over and over and over again. Great song by the Allman Brothers. It's not hard at all, and if you're struggling with the F chord, check out my other video on that. I've got a video on the easiest way to play the F chord, and it makes songs like this even easier. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute lesson. Later.